Wait, did you see that? The desert is full of secrets. Yay! Can you guess all 10 animals? Don't get tricked! It has humps and walks in the desert. Is it a horse? It has no legs. 3, 2, 1. Is it a worm? It has a stinger tail. 3. Is it a spider? No, it's... It loves the hot sun. Yay, a real dinosaur! Wow, a dinosaur! No, it's... It has big ears and is very fast. 3, 1. No, it's a fox. It is small and crawling. 3, 2. No, it's a beetle. Snake! And this? Owl! It comes out at night! 3, 2, 1! Ooh, what's that? A bat! Wait, it's shimmering! No! Wow, so cool! It flies very high! 3, 2, 1! No! It's a hawk! It is small and fast! No! It's a mouse! It has many legs. 3, 2, 1! Ooh, what's that shiny thing? Yay! A spider! Wow, Desert, you are amazing! Camel, snake, scorpion, lizard, fox, beetle, owl, hawk, mouse, spider! Watch again! Don't get tricked next time! Don't get tricked next time!